It's Amy. Look what I made. I'm hosting a dinner tonight. I made this spinach cream cheese filled baked salmon. Everyone had different food ideas tonight, so we decided pick a name to decide what we are eating. It's anything with high omega from my friend Lily. I did some research online and decided to make this baked salmon fillet, cream cheese spinach filled with salmon, and tomato arboro rice with orzo. Watch me pick a question for my friends. Today I'm using Atlantic salmon fillet. Slicing the two sides, not cutting through in the middle, and leave a space for the cream cheese. Now I'm going to make the cream cheese filling using cream cheese with chives and onion just for extra flavor, and honestly I'm a little lazy today. For this filling I'm also adding some fresh spinach. Some other ingredients: Parmesan cheese, garlic, lemon. Since the cream cheese only has onion, I'm adding a little of garlic for more flavor. I'm removing the spinach stem because they are a little tough. Blanch it for 3 minutes until softened. Set it aside, let it cool before we chop it. Squeeze all the water out. After squeeze all the water out, only this little bit. Chop it very fine. Oh, and later tonight, I have a little card game question for my friends. Let me pick the question now. The question is, what makes Atlantic salmon different? A. More fatty. B. More fishy. C. Leaner. Now I'm adding the cream cheese in the bowl, mixing with spinach and all other ingredients into a paste. Some black pepper. Looks good to me. Now add all the cream cheese filling in the center. Layer the sliced lemon on the sheet pan. Layer the sliced lemon on the sheet pan. Cover with foil on top. Seal the side and the edges so the juice will not leak out. While the fillet is baking, I am making the tomato rice. Just want to add a little of red using arboro rice and orzo. That's what I have in my pantry. Dice tomato first. And saute the tomato by melting the butter first. Add the arboro rice and orzo. Oh, I just found out orzo is not a rice, it's actually a pasta. Water. Cover the lid, cook for about 20 minutes. Salmon is fully baked and ready. I let it broil on top for 2 minutes. The mix of rice and pasta are also ready. Finally, everything's ready. Time to plate up. Layer the rice and the pasta on bottom of the plate. Place the baked salmon on top of the rice and pasta. A quick torch for extra color. That looks delicious and stunning. Oh, my friends are here. I gotta go. I will make more recipes like this. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.